morning, I've just woken up to this view. When the Queen Charlotte sounds, let's similar to that. That was beautiful, right? Yeah. Today we're going to be in Picton. It's 9:15. Going to go for breakfast, get ourselves ready and go to the ship around about 10:30. We had a 25-minute wait for the table. Everyone's having a bit of a late start, but we're here. Okay, so we've been queuing for about 35 minutes trying to get off at Picton. Top tip on the cruise ship, either go early or go late. Don't go in the middle like we did. Okay, I'll show the queue. All in all, it took us 1 hour to get through that queue. We're waiting for Andrew and Alex and stuff. We kind of stuffed up, but we stuffed up. We're supposed to meet in 270, exactly where we were before. I thought they were going to meet us by the entrance. We went looking for them. We joined the queue. They joined the queue. So anyway, I think we've got about a 10-minute wait here. Then we'll catch up and we'll go together to Picton. Yes! Yay! Yay! We're just trying to find things to do in Picton. Of all the places that we're going to in New Zealand, I had no plan whatsoever. So we're just trying to find a cruise or something. Yeah. It's a tiny town, seaside village. There's a port, the ship stuff, there's a lot of wood in the harbour where we docked, and yeah, we're just gonna have some looky around here. We've purchased tickets to a cruise. We've got to look around the streets of Picton. Emma's going to get something to eat, and that's pretty much all we're doing here. That will do. That'll be good. What are you thinking? Oh, don't go to.
No, hold on.
$4 bag of chips. Yum, yum, yum. All aboard the little ship, little boat. It's a boat. And they're small, they're boats, and they're big, they're ships. How's it go? Ships carry boats. Remember that. They do. Yes, that's the difference. Wow. You learn something new every day.
Chasing you away from my reality, breaking us into pieces. Once you were my dream. I don't know where we went wrong. You knew the answers all along. It's up to me.
vlog anyway. You know, what was that? 50 dollars and 20 each for the kids. 30 for the kids. Yeah, so, you know, hour and a half, not a bad way to do. We're gonna head back to the ship now. This afternoon it's gonna be iFLY. Ooh, very excited.